What's going on? It's Mr. CMB, Justin, Credit Money Budget, back with another video. So I wanted to make this video to give you a big education, a short education actually on context. What is context? Now, one of the biggest misconceptions, especially when it comes to real estate, is that you could just find a home, find a duplex, get it, rent out the other one, and you'll be set and you save money on rent. And now you can move up and you can use some of the equity to jump into here, jump into here, jump into here, jump into here. Or you could do this property and earn the rents and do this and do that. And you could do this and it's all peaches and cream. Now, you know, people sell you the story on when everything goes right. And we got to understand, this is real life. Everything doesn't go right, and you need to learn how to prepare for when things don't go right. And this is the problem with people hopping into real estate and why so many people quit, because quiet is kept. Only like 5% of people actually make money in real estate. Most real estate investors are broke. Most people who hop into real estate don't make money because they don't stick to it, or they just don't know what they're doing. And that's why you see the same people getting deals over and over and over again, simply because of that, because they have context. They understand this business. And that's the most important thing you have to understand is you need context. Don't look at surface level talk. Don't look at surface level anything. You need to understand what's going on behind the scenes. So for instance, well, if you could buy a duplex and rent the other one out, but there's unforeseen circumstances that are out of your control. Maybe the tenant loses their job. Maybe they have to move because of a situation. Maybe you can't find a good tenant. Maybe something breaks, hot water heater breaks, or maybe depending on what type of house you live in, there's so many different factors that could go into it to where you could not profit or not really benefit, which is why you want to be very meticulous and very conservative on when you're actually looking for deals. And this is the biggest thing that happens in real estate is people don't become conservative in their doings. They want to take big risks to win big. And that's the thing with real estate, 1 or 2 deals can catapult your life. But it's also the opposite. 1 or 2 deals can ruin your life if you're not savvy enough. And that's why real estate education is very, very important. But what's even more important than that is application of the information. Now, this is my second point of the video, is that I do have a program where I help people build their wholesale REO auction business, in 12 weeks. And one of the things, I take calls, and one of the things I notice is that there are people who've just been learning real estate for 2 months, 6 months, 2 years even, and they've never taken any action. And I'm like, what are you waiting for? And well, I'm just trying to learn everything. And I have to kind of break the news to them that you're not going to learn everything in real estate. I mean, you'll be learning until you hop in the grave, because you're not going to know everything. That's just what it is. I'm still learning, and I've been doing this 6 years. You're always going to constantly learn. But more importantly, you're going to learn more by doing, because this is a business for doers. This is a business for people who actually do stuff. Like if you're not actually active, there's not a lot of things there's a lot of things that you're not going to see coming unless you're doing it. And that's the thing. You can watch as many YouTube videos, TikTok videos as you want. You're still not going to be 100% prepared unless you have someone in your corner personally, because someone like me, I'll see things coming before they even happen, because that just comes from experience. Or I can understand things may pop up that you may not even expect to pop up. There's so many things that can happen for a deal to be held up or go wrong or just go sideways or just delayed. Like even for instance, right now, I'm still waiting on an auction property to close that we should have closed 3 weeks ago. And it's simply because of communication and paperwork with the title company. And I understand why it happened, but these are the things that just happen. And if you're not mentally prepared for that, or if you don't know these things, you're just not going to know it exists because you don't know yet. So that's why experience helps out. And the third point is you should get help. Never go on real estate deals alone when you're first starting out. I mean, you're just super exposed, especially to somebody who's savvy. And trust me when I say this, granted, this has never happened to me, but there are sharks out there. They can smell you from a mile away and they will take advantage of you. All right. So if you do need help, I have a program, Legacy Lasting Blueprint. Click the link below, schedule a call with me. If you're not in position for that, like I said, we don't take everybody. You can click the link below. I have a few other links below, some other programs that help you out on your financial journey to really put some money in your pocket to get you to where you need to go. And that's it, Mr. CMB, Credit Money Budget. I'm out. Go ahead and pre-order my ebook. Talk to you later. Peace.